Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Suppose now in two triangles, two pair of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. Say AB is equal to DE. Then we can see that the side is not included between the corresponding equal pair of angles. That means it is not the included side BC and EF. So let us see if in this condition the triangles are congruent. Say we take angle B to be 50 degrees, then angle E should also be 50 degrees. If angle C is 45 degrees, angle EF is also given as 45 degrees, then clearly in triangle ABC we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. As sum of the angles of a triangle is 180, so that would mean angle A plus 50 plus 45 degree equal to 180 degrees. This would give angle A equal to 180 minus 95 degrees. So angle A is 85 degrees. Similarly, in triangle DEF, angle D will be 85 degrees. So we have A as 85 and angle D also 85 degrees. Now clearly we have two angles and the included side as equal. So triangles ABC and DEF are congruent by ASA property. So we conclude that two triangles are congruent if any two pair of angles and any one corresponding sides are equal. We call it as a AAS congruency rule. Let us read the question. Line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD. O is the midpoint of AD. Show that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. And secondly, O is also the midpoint of BC. Let us start with the first part and prove triangles AOB and DOC congruent. So let us consider the two triangles. We know that AB is parallel to CD, so angle ABO will be equal to angle DCO as they are alternate angles. So angle ABO is equal to angle DCO. Similarly, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC as they are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOB equal to angle DOC since they are vertically opposite. Also, it is given that OA is equal to OD. Hence, we have triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC by AAS rule. And now it is very easy to prove the second part, in which we have to prove that O is the midpoint of BC. Now since the two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT the corresponding sides and all the corresponding angles will be equal. So that would mean that angle A will be equal to angle D and OB will be equal to OC. So OB is equal to OC by CPCT, and so O is the midpoint of BC.